Okay, first, as you can see, there is some oil. I use all the ingredients to put in there. Now it's time for the egg. Okay, which there is pecorino romano, parmigiano reggiano, a little salt, and a little pepper. Okay. We start putting it a little bit at a time for all the surface. The oil is called, it's caldo in Italian. The oil is hot. And now we put it upside down. Now look how beautiful they come out. See? Everything's sealed inside. I cleaned the pot. Show you. See? Nice and clean. Now I place the artichokes inside. Just trust the process. Little water that covers almost halfway the artichokes. It was not enough. Still not enough. Okay, now enough water. I still put a little lemon and the stems. Now I close, lower the flame, and here we go until they're cooked, until they fork tender or the leaves they come out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is gonna be my dinner tonight. I was gonna make, what did I say, country fried steak, but today is Friday and I'm not. Okay, ciao.